I'm going to show you how to do the adjustment when we have sent an invoice to a customer, or sometimes it might say invoice issued. Okay, so whenever it's for income, we know that it's going to be this type of adjustment. When we send an invoice to a customer, it means that they've received our service and they haven't yet paid for it, or they've bought some goods on credit and haven't paid for them. Okay, so it's like an IOU. The first thing we're going to need to do is adjust the accounts receivable amount. Remember that when people owe us, it means that we're going to receive the money, so it's accounts receivable. Alright, so the full amount is $4,600 including GST, so they need to pay us that. Okay, so we're going to add that on to our accounts receivable. So add 4,600. I should have chosen a smaller number so it doesn't take so long to write. There we go. Okay, so add 4,600 onto that. The second thing we need to do is work out the GST and the true value of fees received. So what I mean by true value is how much we're actually going to be adding on to our fees received after we've paid the GST. Okay, so the full amount is 4,600. So we go, what is that divided by 1.15? And that gives us 4,000. Okay, so we work out GST by going, what's the difference between that 4,000 and the total amount? So in this case it's going to be $600. So just go ahead and put that 600 on your trial balance next to the GST amount. Okay, oh, that's a 0. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is adjust the fees received and the GST accounts. So this $4,000, as I said, is the true value of fees received. We're going to find our fees received, here it is, okay, and add that on. So add 4,000 onto there. Alright, just like I always teach you, I leave GST till last to decide whether we're going to add or minus. Really simple in this case. We've added 4,600 onto here, we've only added 4,000 onto here, so this 600 must be added for it to balance. Okay, and just have a quick look at the general journal entry. Putting accounts receivable in first. Accounts receivable is an asset that is increasing, so it's going to be a debit, which means the other two must be a credit. Okay, fees received, income, which is increasing, and GST is a liability that is increasing, so they're both credits. And there we go, our debits equal our credit, and that's all done.